let's see what my natural hair looks like after wearing it straight for like a month. Hey babes, it's wash day and I am actually gonna wear my hair natural rather than blowing it out. So I put some of my rosemary miel oil on my scalp while I cooked dinner and just kind of let it marinate in my dry scalp because my scalp is so dry. And now I'm just brushing it through and I'm gonna go hop in the shower and shampoo twice and deep condition. That was the best shower I think I've ever taken, like actually. So let's brush it out. I really don't have a great curl routine right now because I can't get my curls to do what I want ever since I cut my hair. I thought that was gonna help, but it honestly made it worse. Right now I'm just putting some K.turnt in my hair just for hydration because I did just color it like a week ago. So I just raked that through and she's still feeling dry, but I have a sample of this Fix My Curls leave-in cream. I'm gonna try it and rake it into my hair as well. And now we shall scrunch with the My Hair My Canvas Shine On Defining Foam. This isn't even meant for curls, but I swear this is the only foam that does not make my hair crunchy. I just love it. I got it as a sample at a show once. This is not a look, but my shirt is. How cute is it? I love her. Yeah, they're struggling. I figured that's how they would be just because it has been so long since I have let it do its thing. And I did color my hair, which also, you know, doesn't help your curl pattern or wave pattern, you know. Calm down, you know. People get so pressed. But I am just gonna let it air dry. They're definitely way better like around my face and like underneath, but cut all my hair off, so you know, now here we are. But I did buy a bonnet, a silk bonnet to sleep in. People told me that it's good because my hair usually like gets really frizzy or like crazy when I sleep on it, so I'm gonna use this after my hair like gets drier when I sleep, and then I'll post a video about how it is when I wake up so y'all can kind of see what this looks like when it's dry because it typically looks better. Stay tuned to see it in the morning.